After Shake Shack, we have another burger chain who is now using Zero Acre cultured oil, Hopdoddy. They've announced that they're going to use it in all of their restaurants across the US, and they've started launching in Texas. Hopdoddy Burger Bar, through a partnership with Zero Acre Farms, is making history as the first national burger chain to commit to a 100% seed oil-free menu, beginning by replacing soybean oil with Zero Acre oil in every fryer at all Austin, San Antonio, and San Marcos, Texas locations. As just one example of the potential impact, 44 acres of land are required to produce the amount of soybean oil needed annually for frying at one Hopdoddy location, while only 3 acres are required with Zero Acre oil. That's a difference of nearly 2,000 acres, tens of millions of square feet, across all 48 Hopdoddy locations. The CO2, water, and caloric savings are just as significant. Now, a lot of these companies obviously are talking about climate because it's a great selling point for many consumers. For the whole climate change isn't real crowd, it doesn't really fucking matter because this is capitalism. When you can produce a product at significantly less cost or using significantly fewer resources than your competitors, I'll let you fill in the blanks. Thanks for watching as always. We'll catch you in the next video.